greet each other by joining both the palms, bowing a little with respect, and say Namaste, which means I bow to you. Yes, even I observe my friend doing this all the time when he meets elder people. I also remembered one ritual. My friend Shiva touches his parents' feet daily before coming to school, and also remember he sees elder people, he touches their feet.
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप था, उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
Apart from all these, we also have many rituals where everyone come together and we each one of them. Our country celebrates all the festivals. We are really thankful to the community we have, and also we have unity in diversity. I am really proud. Me and Nikhil, we have seen this in us 28 days, and also in different attacks, but still unity is the same. The greatness of our country is families living in strong belief and living together, eating together, celebrating together. We are strong to each and every together. We are prefer to see the family and generation living